Hello, my name is Mike with Keystone RV Company customer service supporting Dutchman and Crossroads. Customers will sometimes reach out to us stating, my dealer cannot get me in for warranty work until after my warranty expires. Will the items still be covered? If you have this question, please contact the Owner Relations team at 1-866-425-4369 or email us at ownerrelations@keystonerv.com, and we will gladly document your unit file with your current issues for consideration of warranty coverage. Please review Keystone's Owner's Manual for clarification of warranty coverage and limitations. And remember, we are always here to help.